All right, now we're going to level 2. So our managing, creating, and managing uses a systemic approach and getting things done through other people, occasionally jumping in and helping. All right. Now remember those staff training sessions, the staff behavior sessions, all those sessions that we started with S's, right? SMS, SPS, STS. So what we're doing there from a leadership standpoint is implementing those educational processes. That's a leadership system. That makes sense? If we just do these 4 things, or we just do these, then everything works better. So if you're a level 1 leader, put that check mark there. Here's the gauge for level 3 leader. Are you above the daily vortex and has successfully hired and trained a manager as a level 1 leader? Have you done that? Are you in the process for that? Can you check that box off? That creates you as a level 4 leader. Questions, comments, or thoughts about that?
Is it possible, excuse me, is it possible to be those different types of leaders at different times?
Absolutely. Okay. You will all wear these hats. You will be at all different levels during your process.
Okay.
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 Now we go to level 4, and that's the gauge for leaders. And you are free from the business. They have a level 3 leader plus a level 2 manager coached and trained to work the business for them. You are now free to roam the fields of looking life for your next adventure. Wow. So everybody follow that down the line. And Nick, you're absolutely right. You could probably be level 1, 2, 3, and 4 all within 1 hour. Does that make sense? You could